Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your project was on the brink of chaos, deadlines looming, budgets spiraling out of control, and teams struggling to stay aligned? If you have, it might be a sign that you need better tools for project management. Not too long ago, projects could easily be managed using emails, spreadsheets, and a whiteboard. But times have changed, and these outdated methods are no longer efficient. It's almost like using a butter knife to cut a steak. Here are some of the most common problems associated with these tools. Miscommunication. Email is without doubt a great medium of written communication. However, on a project scale, the messaging threads can get really long over time. Important messages get buried, and you end up playing the who said what game. The second issue is disorganized information. Now, sticky notes and whiteboards are great for brainstorming, but not so much for keeping track of task priorities and deadlines. And with disorganized data, it's almost impossible to get a clear overview of project progress. Result: missed deadlines. Next, budget overruns. When resources are not allocated properly, it often leads to an underestimation of what is required to complete tasks. Without the right tools, the project budget tends to slip through your fingers faster than you can realize. And last but not least, the stress and burnout. Project management is already a demanding job. Juggling complex projects with outdated tools on top of that is not the most productive approach. This is where project management tools come to the rescue. These tools are used by project managers and teams to streamline tasks, improve collaboration, and ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. Based on their functionalities, these tools can be categorized into four major categories. Task management tools to help you organize tasks and resources, delegate work, and keep an eye on the progress. Collaboration tools to keep everyone in the team on the same page and help them share files, information, and keep that innovative spark alive. File management tools to manage your project data and information. Reporting and analytics tool to get an overview of where things stand. These tools make project management easy throughout the project management cycle. Here's how they do it. In the initiation phase, task management tools help create task lists, delegate responsibilities, and set timelines, whereas collaboration tools help with brainstorming and idea sharing. In the planning phase, task management tools like Gantt charts and calendars help create detailed project plans, whereas collaboration and file management tools serve as secure repositories for documentation and data sharing. During the execution phase, the role of project management tools become even more prevalent. Task management and reporting tools are invaluable in tracking ongoing tasks and critical metrics. Collaboration tools enable real-time communication for instant issue resolution. And file management tools maintain version control, keeping all the team members updated with the latest project documents. In the closing phase, task management tools ensure all tasks and deliverables are completed. Collaboration tools facilitate handovers and knowledge transfer. File management tools store final project documentation. Now that we have a general overview of the benefits PM tools provide, let's address why companies absolutely need to invest in these tools. Simply put, to not fall behind. In a world that's evolving fast, project management tools are not just beneficial, they are vital for staying competitive. Speaking in numbers, the project management tools market is estimated to reach around $15 billion by 2030. But don't just believe me. Here are some real world facts to justify these projections. In a recent study conducted by the Project Management Institute, it was found that organizations that use project management software completed 45% more of their projects on time and met their goals compared to those without such tools. Also, according to another report by the Standish Group, businesses that use project management software experience a 37% higher success rate for their projects. This means fewer resources wasted on failed projects and more revenue from completed ones. And it's not just about managing work. This means an investment in project management tools will not only help managers generate more revenue, but also in retaining the best talent without confining them to office hours. But where can you find the perfect fit for your organization? Well, ProofHub got you all covered. If you are looking for a tool that provides everything mentioned before, can be customized to fit several workflows in your organization, and offers an intuitive platform for managing projects and teams, look no further than ProofHub. It is all-in-one solution for a seamless project management and team collaboration. You can plan, collaborate, organize, and deliver projects of any size and complexity from one convenient location. Also, it is one of the most scalable solutions out there because of its robustness and a flat pricing structure. Whether you are a small business or large enterprise, ProofHub allows you to handle multiple complex projects with utmost ease and without breaking the bank. For further details, visit ProofHub.